Belgian weather can be dreary at times. Belgians, especially those living in the merry city of Leuven, definitely are not. The Faculty of Psychology and Educational Sciences is part of the University of Leuven, one of Europe's oldest and most distinguished centres of learning. Already in the late 19th century, a pioneering laboratory in the emerging science of the human psyche was established in Leuven. The present research and teaching at the faculty echoes the accomplishments of its first students, some of whom are still counted amongst the most influential psychologists and educational scientists. Student numbers soared, especially since the founding of the present Dutch-speaking faculty during the Roaring '60s. Its critically acclaimed curricula now attract more than 4,000 students annually. About 83 professors, more than 500 co-workers, and a team of specialised teaching assistants support students in becoming critical and independent professionals. Although the faculty remains a leading Flemish player, it also recruits many foreign students and organises successful international teaching programmes, cherishing its historical links with institutes of advanced learning in developing countries. The faculty's prolific publication record reads like a broad portfolio of contemporary research in psychology and educational sciences, including work in schools, hospitals, and other professional environments. The labs and offices are distributed across different locations and include a clinical training institute, which was poignantly dedicated to children's rights advocate Jeanne de Vos. Our brain definitely determines who we are, how we think or feel, and react to other people. Behavioural, neuroimaging, and electrophysiological techniques are used to investigate the healthy brain as well as the effects of disease. Psychologists and educational scientists examine the processes of visual perception, information processing, and cognition. They employ quantitative and qualitative methodologies to study behavioural and educational processes. Learning and education indeed fascinate psychologists and pedagogists alike. However, behavioural change not merely occurs in school and family contexts, but also during therapy and clinical intervention. Educational scientists, clinical and health psychologists, and psychotherapists try to understand, prevent, or treat often devastating mental disorders. Processes of social interaction that determine how people establish meaningful relationships with one another also influence the complicated dynamics of multicultural societies. Psychologists and educational scientists investigate people in professional environments and try to boost their potential and well-being. They participate in public debate and try to influence policies. Why and how people behave the way they do remains by and large one of the most intriguing natural phenomena, making it a truly challenging object of scientific inquiry. Belgian weather might be dreary at times. Leuvenites definitely are not.